Bitcoin against USD. So for Bitcoin, we have two targets fresh out of the oven for you. One is at 76,000, the other one is at 83,000. So more upside to be coming for BTC. Right now we are at 69,000. We are about to potentially break 70k towards 80k. And this is a very high quality symmetrical triangle. You see this? Excuse me. Do you see these, boys and girls? It's too nice though. I suspect there is some shenanigans hidden between here. Could there be like some lightning moves? Pam! Before we come back up, something I don't know. Or we could just break out from here. Right. Yeah, we're 69531, so it's only a matter of time. If you look at the candlesticks on the weekly, this is a hammer. We closed the week with a hammer. Previous week was a green. The week before, hammer. The week before was a long-legged doji. The week before, green, yeah. So everything is still bullish to me. And if we were to make the count for Bitcoin, right? So when things move impulsively towards the upside, it moves in waves of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I were to make the count for BTC, again, I'm not entirely sure. Right? It could be, there's variations to this. So okay, if we were to make the count for BTC, right? This whole thing is a 1, right? This whole thing is a wave 2, right? We consolidated here for a while. And then this potentially is a wave 3, only a wave 3, right? And these are subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5, right? So if this is only a wave 3, which means that there will be a wave 4, very likely. Of course, I could be wrong. There may not be a wave 4, but I'm anticipating a potential wave 4, something like this, right? Which may drag all the way to the US presidential elections. Okay, let me just check. US presidential election date. 5th of November, 2024. So let's say we have 5th of November. Where is it, bro? Okay, here. Alternate. Vertical. So you call this US elections. So these are big dates. Big dates. Right. Okay, let's turn it something darker a bit so it's not too obvious. Yeah. So US elections is coming. And this is big. This is election year. And yeah, again, we could just hit 83,000 after the halving, and then we could consolidate for a wave 4. That's why I'm anticipating the possibility of a wave 4. And then the US elections comes on, regardless of who wins, we continue higher. What do you think? What do you think, boys and girls? Yeah, I suspect something like this could happen. Of course, nobody can see into the future, right? But if we were to count this from an elite wave perspective, this is the count that we have. So, but again, if we were to look at the weekly candlesticks, Bitcoin is bullish. And so, as long as Bitcoin is bullish, we remain with a bullish bias for BTC. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we will remain with a bullish bias. And we will anticipate more upside. 76,000 first and then 83,000. No guarantees though that we will hit both targets, right? We can hit 76,000 and this could already be a valid 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, valid 5. And then we start our consolidation for wave 4, the big wave 4, right? This is wave 2, 3, 4. And then wave 5, we go para, right? So that's why I'm a little bit cautious seeing a symmetrical triangle. This is quite textbook perfect though, almost textbook perfect. So I'm like, this is very suspicious to me. Anyway, we have two targets over here, so we're anticipating more upside for BTC.